Second ticker today, General Electric. The stock is surging today after the company announced that it's selling its BioPharma unit to Danaher for $21.4 billion. Danaher will also assume some of GE's pension liabilities. The GE unit is expected to generate over $3 billion this year, and the deal is on track to be completed by the fourth quarter. Yahoo Finance's Dan Howley, second Dan today, is here with me. Dan, CEO Larry Culp, he is focused, okay? Strengthen and deleverage the balance sheet. That's what is happening here.
Yeah, exactly. GE has a mountain of debt, and they're trying to pay it down. This will help them do that. Not only will they get rid of this business side, but they'll also offload some of the pensions that they have. That's $21 billion in pensions. That's what they're looking at as far as debt goes there. And they're hoping that this will take care of that, get it onto Danaher, and that Danaher is going to benefit here. And it's not as though GE's fully, divesting themselves of their medical side. They also have their medical instruments in X-rays, CTE scanning machines, and then they have pharmaceuticals, diagnostics. So they still have a big hand in the medical side.
The deal is expected to be completed by the fourth quarter. Is that realistic?
Yeah, I don't think that there's going to be any kind of regulatory issues here. They're both sides are very optimistic about that. And, if there was something, that would be a roadblock, they would absolutely have mentioned that.
And this has been a longer-term strategy for GE that even came before Larry Culp. This idea of getting rid of some of the businesses and focusing back on the core. And that is what this company is really trying to do.
Right. It's all about the industrials. I mean, this company has been around for, it's an American institution. And to see it going through these hard times it's been going through, having themselves kind of try to turn around the way they are by divesting themselves of different businesses that may not be working up to their potential is honestly the best strategy that they're working with. And hopefully it will continue to work going forward.
All right, March 14th, they're expected to give 2019 outlook. What are the analysts saying?
I mean, it's not going to be especially pretty, especially considering the amount of debt they have right now. But, with this coming off, analysts might change their projections going forward.
All right, the stock is trading a little bit over $11 right now. If you can take a look, if we can pull up at a year-to-date chart, it's moving steadily higher. Slow but steady. Do the analysts expect that this is a name this year that could see a big bump?
From sales like this, yes, this is going to be a sale that should help them. And, it's also worth mentioning, don't forget that Danaher is going to benefit from this greatly. You said $3 billion in revenue off of this unit alone. I think it'll help them both out, but GE especially.